Hey folks, what's up? This is Vivs back from Slide Nerd here. In the last vid, we probably constructed this and this part. In this vid, let's take this blue block over here and try to put this red block and this equal to sign right near it. So let's go in Eclipse and do that. Where's my blue box? This is my blue box. Inside this, what I need is I need this red colored box, which is a vertical linear layout. So let me go and make that. Let me copy paste this entire linear layout again and just do it. So here I'm gonna call this red box. No layout as of now, no layout weights. We'll do that later. Layout width, I'm gonna give it as a wrap content for now. Layout height, again I'm gonna give it as wrap content for now. Let's figure out what to do. This is a red box, so I'm gonna call this F00 for the background color. Let me go and see that. I don't think we can see it. Yep, there's no control inside it, so we can't see it, right? Next we need to put this equal to button. All right, so below this linear layout, I'm gonna go ahead and put my equal to button. I'm gonna just drag this, copy paste this, go here, give it the symbol of equal to, layout height of match parent, width is 0 dp. Now for this red box, if you guys remember in the presentation I said that this should have ratio 4:1. Let me go and show you that. Yep, there you go. This red box or brown box or whatever, it has a ratio of 4 in terms of width, and this has 1. So let's go and do that in Eclipse by using layout weights. Alright, so here for the red box, layout weight should be 4, and for this one the layout weight should be 1. Now remember, this linear layout is actually a horizontal linear layout, so when you give layout weight, the width becomes redundant. So I'm gonna give a width of 0 dp over here. Again, for the width 0 dp. Let's go and see how this looks in the graphical layout. Okay, we need to color this red. For the height, I'm gonna say match parent over here. Let's go and see in the graphical layout now. So there you go, that's the red block, the red box over here, and we have our equal to sign over here, which is taking same width as these above buttons. You guys can see that, right? Alright, so next inside the red box, what we need to have is we need to have two green boxes, right? They are both horizontal linear layouts having the buttons 1, 2, 3 minus. Let's go and do that. Let's find the red box first. This is our red box. Inside this, we need two green boxes. So let me copy paste this linear layout again. Control C, Control V, Control Shift F for formatting stuff. I'll call this green box number 3 because I think we already have enough green boxes in our project. And for the color, I'll say 0F0 for the green color. Gonna copy paste this linear layout again for the next one. Call this green box number 4. Now for the layout weight, I'm gonna remove the weights right now. We don't need any weights as of now. Okay, so since this is a vertical linear layout, our red box orientation needs to be vertical. As you guys can see, this red box is vertical. We need to set orientation over here by saying and orientation vertical. Alright, for the green box 3, which we have over here, the width should be match parent. Let's go and do that. The height should be 0 dp because we're gonna give a layout weight to this, a layout weight of 1. The reason is this green box and this green box should take up equal space vertically, right? 1:1. For that, I'm gonna give layout weight of 1 to both of them. And for the width, I'm gonna again say match parent as of now. For the height, it's gonna be 0 dp here in the bottom one. Color, let's give 0, say 90 to give a dark green color. So this green box and this green box will look a bit distinct, right? So let's go and see how this looks in our graphical layout. Well, there you go, you guys can see that. It's perfectly clear, right? We have this green box over here. Alright, so now inside this two green boxes that we created just now, we need to have 1, 2, 3 and this minus sign in the first one and 0 dot and plus in the next one. So let's go and do that. 1, 2, 3 and the minus. We need 4 buttons, right? So let's go and copy paste 4 buttons from above. That should go inside our green box number 3, I believe. I'm not sure which number it is. Yep, green box number 3, that is right over here. Inside this, I'm gonna go paste that, Control Shift F to format stuff. For the Android text, it's gonna be 1, 2, 3 and the minus sign, right? Now all these buttons should take up equal space horizontally. So for that, there's a layout weight of 1. And the height is match parent because they should fill this green box vertically in the complete fashion, right? And then what we have is we have a width of 0 dp because our main linear layout, that is the green box 3, which is horizontal in nature. So if you remember that rule where horizontal linear layout, you have children, you have layout weight, then the width is 0 dp, right? That's the rule. So now if you go to the graphical layout over here, you can see 1, 2, 3 and the minus sign coming up. The same thing we need to copy paste for 0 dot and the plus. So let's do that. I'm gonna copy 3 buttons from here. And that should go inside this green box which we see over here, which is actually our green box number 4, if I believe. Yep, there you go. Copy paste that, Control Shift F to format stuff. Here we have 0 dot and then we have our plus sign, right? So let's go and see how that looks in the graphical layout. As you guys can see, this is probably screwed because we have given layout weight of 1 to each of them, so it's taking equal width. But what we want is we want 0 to be double compared to these two, compared to a normal button, right? So we need to give this a layout weight of 2. a layout weight of 1 to this and a layout weight of 1 to this. So let's go and do that in the code by going here to the 0 button, give that a layout weight of 2, 1, 1. So let's go and see how that looks at the graphical layout, and bam, there you go guys. That's our user interface for the calculator. It's almost complete except for the colors and the fonts, but otherwise this is completely done. So in the next vid I'm gonna go change the colors, change the fonts, and make it look just the way you see over here. Alright, so if you like what you saw, please subscribe to my channel, comment, let me know your thoughts. I would love to hear from you guys. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next vid.